Okay, good morning everyone, and thank you for watching this video. And before we start it, let me begin with a simple question. Okay, what kind of person do you want to be? In this world that is rapidly changing, filled with new technology, challenges, and distractions, it is easy to focus only on academic success or career goals, but what truly defines us is not just what we know or what we achieve, but how we treat others, how we make decisions, and what kind of values we live by. Today, I want to talk about something essential but often overlooked: moral and character education. It is not just about teaching right from wrong, but about building a strong foundation or of integrity, empathy, respect, responsibility, and perseverance. In this presentation, we will explore why moral and character education, how it shapes individuals and communities, and what we can do as educators, parents, or students to make it a meaningful part of our lives. So, let's get started. Okay, for the first slide, there is a definition and purpose of character education. Character education is an effort to shape good behavior and morals in children. This involves instilling values such as honesty, responsibility, and empathy from an early age. Character education is the intentional effort to help people understand, care about, and act upon core ethical values. These values include honesty, respect, fairness, responsibility, compassion, and perseverance. In other words, it is the process of developing moral knowledge, moral feelings, and moral actions. It's not just about teaching rules of enforcing discipline. Instead, character education helps students develop the inner strength and moral compass they need to make a good decisions, even when no one is watching. So, next, the purpose of character education is to guide individuals to grow into respectful, kind, and responsible members of society. It aims to build people who do not only succeed in school or work, but also contribute positively to their families, communities, and the world. Character education also supports a positive school climate, improves relationship among students and teachers, and reduce behavioral problems. Okay, next is a core values in character education. Discipline is to helping children learn to respect time and rules. Honesty encourage children to always tell the truth and act rightly. Next, responsibility teaching children to take a responsibility for their action. And the last is respect. This is to respecting others and appreciating the differences. And discipline means self-control and the ability to stay focused on goals. It helps students manage their time, follow rules, and complete tasks. Even when it's not easy, but discipline teaches persistence, patience, and importance of doing what is right and not just what is easy. To being honestly, to being honesty, this is about telling the truth, being sincere, and acting with integrity. When students learn to be honest, they build trust with others. Honesty is a key to strong relationships in school, at home, and in the workplace. For the responsibility, this is means to being accountable for your actions and decisions. It involves doing your duties, keeping your promises, and accepting the consequences of your behavior. Teaching responsibility helps students become more independent and dependable. And the last, for respect, this is how we treating others with kindness, fairness, and dignity. It means listening to different opinions, valuing diversity, and avoiding harmful behaviors like bullying or discrimination. Respect creates a safe and positive environment for everyone. So, we together These values shape not just how we act, but how we become. They help students grow into individuals who are not only smart, but also wise, kind, and trustworthy. And next is, why is character education important? Character education is important because it forms a strong moral foundation. It helps children face life's challenges with a positive and responsible attitude. In today's world, students are not only expected to perform well academically, they are also expected to be ethical, respectful, and responsible individuals. This is where character education plays a vital role. First, character education helps shape a person's moral compass. It teaches students how to make good choices, stand up for what is right, and avoid harmful behavior, both online and offline. When children learn values like honesty, respect, and empathy, they are more likely to grow into trustworthy and compassionate adults. In a second, character education improves behavior and relationships in schools. Students who understand the value of kindness and responsibility are more likely to avoid bullying, help their peers, and contribute to a positive school environment. It also builds stronger bonds between teachers and students based on mutual respect. And the third, strong character skills are essential for success beyond the classroom. Whether someone becomes a doctor, a teacher, a leader, or an artist, they need discipline, integrity, and a sense of responsibility to success and make a difference in their community. Lastly, in a world full of challenges, character education gives a students the strength to face difficult with courage and resilience. It teaches them that failure is part of growth and that success is not only about winning but about doing with the right thing. Okay, next, this is an example of positive character in everyday life. Children can demonstrate good character by helping friends in need, keeping the environment clean, and appreciating the time that given. So, how does the good character actually look in real life? Let me share a few simple but powerful examples. Like students wake up early, finish homework on time, and studies regularly without being told. A child admits they made a mistake even when no one else would know. Being trustful, and even when it's hard, shows strong character. For gi- uh, sh- for the show the responsibility, a teenager helps with chores at home, takes care of their belongings, and owns up to their actions at school. And for the respect, a person listens patiently when others speak, doesn't interrupt, and treats everyone, including those who are different, with kindness. This is a small everyday actions reflect strong values, but they show that character is not just taught, it's practiced one choice at a time. And the next, there are the role of schools in character education. Schools play a vital role in character education by providing programs that support students' moral development. Extracurricular activities also play a role in developing students' character. While families are the first teachers of values, schools are the place where character is tested, shaped, and strengthened every day. Character education can be taught both directly and indirectly. Indirectly, schools can offer specific lessons about moral values, but they can also include character building through group projects, sport, classroom, rules, or school tradition. And moreover, schools can create a culture of character by encouraging kindness, recognizing good behavior, and building a safe and respectful environment for the simple thing like encouraging honesty in assignments or promoting empathy in discussions. It will make a big difference. So in short, schools don't just prepare students for exams, but they help prepare them for life. Through character education in the schools help raise not only smart students but a good citizens, but for a good citizens. The next is how to shape children's character. Forming a children's character can be done through stories and fairy tales that contain moral values. Discussions about the importance of good values and giving praise for positive behavior shown by the child. Now let's talk about very important question, how can shape children's character? Shaping a child's character is not something that happens in one day. It is a continuous process to build through daily actions, words, and choices. For example, to be a good role model. Children learn more from what they see than what they hear. When adults show honesty, patience, kindness, and responsibility, children are likely to follow that example. Remember, character is caught more than it is taught. Next, teach through everyday moments. We don't always need big lessons to teach values. Everyday situations like losing a game, making a mistake, or helping a friend are great chances to talk about fairness, honesty, or empathy. Use real life experience as teaching tools. And for the last, there is conclusion. Character education is a crucial foundation for children's future. With strong values, children will grow into kind, responsible individuals and be prepared to face life's challenges. Okay, maybe that's it my presentation about the importance of moral and character education. Thank you for enjoying my videos and see you. Bye.